Volkswagen Motorsport offers the GTI TCR as a turnkey solution for racing teams that want factory-built quality and reliability in a package designed for performance and ease of use. About 65% of the parts are carried over from the production version, including the basic engine components. Visually, the Golf GTI TCR gains its competitive look through 18-inch racing rims and a version of the award-winning MQB chassis that is about 0.6 inches wider than that of production Golf. An adjustable aluminum alloy rear wing, standard for all TCR cars, generate additional downforce. The car's safety features include a racing seat with head protection, a racing roll cage, and a FIA-approved safety fuel tank.